We are going to be messing with what I found in a camper's bag today for vlog 13, and I'm feeling like Rambo.
Don't let me catch the ops lacking. I'm joking, guys. I'm just messing around, I promise.
Oops, I thought I saw a black squirrel.
This is way too fun. I better stop. Nah.
Well, I may have gone a little overboard, so that's not good.
Good thing they have stormtrooper aim. I really messed up. I don't know how I'm getting out of this one. Follow the vlog. I better get some clout for risking my life for this. You better not think about scrolling without liking this video.